political landscape in Bauchi State undergoes a significant shift. Today, in this local government area, three major stakeholders have defected from the All Progressive Congress APC to the People's Democratic Party PDP. The APC Deputy Chairman, Youth Leader and Welfare Secretary of the party in this local government area have all jumped ship, taking a staggering 7,500 followers with them. This mass defection is seen as a blow to the APC in Bauchi State, particularly in the constituency of former Speaker of the House of Representatives Yakubu Dogara.
Chairman na APC na karamar hukumar da bayan na ajiye na tattara na bar ma APC na dawo PDP.
According to the DCAMPs, their decision to leave APC was due to the party's failure to deliver on its mandates at all levels. They, however, expressed satisfaction with the PDP's administration, particularly under Governor Bala Mohammed.
And if you consider the good governance of Governor Bala Mohammed Abdul Qadir Bauchi, that's Wazirin Das, is a leader, a straightforward and no-nonsense leader. He's always working tirelessly to move the state forward.
The chairman of this local government, Comrade Abubakar Muhammad Jibo, welcomes the DCAMPs to the PDP, describing their defection as a great development to the party and the administration of Governor Bala Mohammed.
We are here particularly to witness the registration of the newly become APC official into our party. I want to use this medium to inform you that very soon we are going to organize a large crowd gathering of receiving all the members of APC who have become to our party.
This development is seen as a major setback for the APC in Bauchi State and a significant gain for the PDP. The question on everyone's mind now is, what does this mean to the future of politics in Bauchi State? From Bauchi State, Muhammad Awal reporting for Correspondent Swatch TV.